Okay, saldox. Let's play Sicilian myself, put the volume off a bit, I think, a bit low. Let's play Shveshnikov. How's that go? So I'm putting that Miji instead of E5, I think that's the Bordelais variation, and E5 instead of Nxf6. So I used to like this. So in 1983, so again potentially losing trump cards, weak D5 square, I get the bishop pair, prophylaxis against A4, I play for G6 and F5. Okay, I'll take care of B4. Maybe B4 actually. B4. Okay, so I play King H8. He's weakening D4. I'm really licking my lips here. G6 F5 because I've got the D4 square. Maybe I shouldn't be. But I'm securing that for knight D4. So play for F5, F4, then knight D4. Knight D4 should be fun. Like this, it's king's in the centre. If I just take, it's going to Queen D4. I know Bishop F4 takes, Queen H4. No, it takes. There's no Knight D4 at the moment, so his king's exposed. Surely I just take. If he takes, he's losing that important knight. Otherwise, check here or Bishop F6. I think check and then Bishop F6. Okay, so Bishop F6 now. Nice diagonal. Get back into the centre. Okay. Oh. Just realised the snag here that my knight on C6 is gone. Uh-oh. It's confused me. Oh dear. Oh, my bishop's blocked in. It's not good. I play. Dear oh dear. What have I done? I've overplayed, I think. Oh. How did that happen? Alright, so try and get some counterplay. His rook's some proof. If he moves the queen, I'll take the rook. Okay, rook E7, bishop E6. That's knight D5. Gets worse. Bishop E6 first, and then rook G8, trying to get some counterplay. Okay, plan for a bit longer. Actually, Queen D6, Bishop C4. His king is exposed. His pieces are a bit. It's only a 5-minute game. His pieces are a bit congested. There's a bit of pressure. I can actually double on the G file, cause a problem here. If I double rook, Queen H4. So Bishop C4 is knight C4, protecting the queen, unfortunately. Playing with fire, isn't he, though? Okay, I can sort of play rook D7 maybe. Get that back in the centre. If queen moves over here, almost, no, forget this. Okay, he's exchanging off queens as well, it's getting worse. So I don't want I want to attack something before knight D5 happens. So rook B3, if I can get to play rook B3, knight D5 or bishop D5 is also annoying potentially. Maybe I can take on B3. There's a bit of a chance, or F4. There's a bit of a chance. How to play a piece down? Shveshnikov. Why did I blunder that piece? It's going so well here, and then he finishes with the bishop. The only real danger is if I allow the bishop to take. Like, okay. Oh, I think he might have blundered back. F4. Hang on. F4. There's bishop H3, bishop D5. He might have blundered back, I hope. Also, isn't that bad for him anyway? Because of takes some rook D1, winning the rook on H1. So there's a few things to do here. think taken and taken on e3. I'll lose the rook on thingy. Actually, there's knight g2 anyway. So takes. Let's go back to this rook d1. He plays. What about if I just take, and if knight d5, I sort of play rook d1. If CD, I just take the rook. So just simply taking on d5, is that the best? If I take on d5 with the bishop, knight d5 there's rook d1. I'll go with that, Just take here. 1 minute 33, I don't want to get too short time, but I'm back in the game it seems. So if I just take and then take on d5, his rook still hemmed in. If I take on b3, I'm threatening to win the rook on a2. I did want to play that, but I want to play this rook g2 to win the rook if possible. Okay, this still potentially wins the rook, or gets a dangerous pawn. He plays that. Okay. So check and then rook f1. Rook f1's good because rook e2 I'll take on h1. So rook f1. Oh, there's a bit of luck here for a change today. So rook f1. Okay, so I can. I can play rook f3, then takes, and then rook f1, just in time, I think. So it takes, and then rook f1, king e3, queen. Okay, so if I take, I'm going to hope these queens is not queening. If he plays e7, I'll just queen and take that. Okay, if I queen, right. So if I just, I think I should just move without stalemating him. I can't get that out today. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, can I mate him instead? Oh dear, oh dear. It's as painful, that stalemate, as losing an over the board game, and it was only a 5-minute game. I don't know about you guys. You guys are piling on the comments, but I'm just I'm still reeling from it. Yeah, I'm still reeling from it. So this is kind of blunder. I don't know. Only move. I didn't have to move the bishop there. Okay, he's got a bishop here. He's got good control of d5, and he's blocked in my bishop. Positionally, there's a few things, to be fair, going on for this fianchetto plan with f4 here, taking an f4. Although his king's there, he's got brilliant control of d5. I thought he'd weaken d4, but I don't know. So, terrible piece blunder. And he repays me with his own, not here, bishop c4, knight c4, protecting the queen. But after rook d3, he plays bishop f3, trying to get. I thought that was a problem. That rook in a blitz game, it's a problem sometimes. So f4 is leading me to lots of chances. So if he'd taken there rook g2, so this rook f1 is very useful, and reinforcing it now to play again rook f1, which he didn't accept here. So he just let me queen. Comments or questions on YouTube? Yeah, a bit lucky there. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. It's free, and you'll be notified of any new videos. The KingsCrusher YouTube channel. Thanks very much.